Don't smoke here, please. I cannot always take powerful and expensive light for my art project, like the airy HMA. Sometimes, just like you, I need affordable, light and powerful light sources. Recently I got new lighting source from Godox company. It was LED light of Godox VL300. I decided to compare this light with powerful airy 2500 watts light sources. In this video I will show you how to use cinematic light techniques with available light sources and expensive sources. At the end I will tell you how much this project cost. I get Godox VL300 with softbox. It gives me an opportunity to make soft light. Soft light I use for portraits of person. In the background I use two airy 2500 HMA sources. First source makes backlight, second one makes background light on the wall. You can see this over here. On the V scene, Godox has about 50% powerful of light. If you see 100% of the power of Godox, it's enough to catch up with the super powerful airy sources. For cinematic style, I was trying to fill the scene with props and some subjects like flowers, furniture, books. It was needed for volume on the scene. If I set props not on the same line, I will get 3D volume inside the frame. Sometimes location doesn't have any props and furniture. In that case, I rent something for shooting. For some scenes I love to make key light and backlight from the window. For close-up shot I was using bounce light from Warmaze 650 watts. The ultra bounce white textile was the reflector. So as not to shoot wires and not to waste a lot of time on the light set, I connected Godox with V-mount battery. The big advantage of this location is that it has a wooden floor. When we blow out light sources, we get many reflect on the floor. With help to receive free light in the scene. Wood floor or any bouncy surface can be useful when you shoot in the night set, if you want to simulate sunlight. As in the last video, here I used the techniques of simulating natural light. I'm looking for a place from there the key light is and put the device there. These points can be windows or practical lights. So, how much did this project cost me? These prices are relevant for the former Soviet countries. If you work in Europe or USA, you have to increase this amount twice or 3 times. Thank you for watching and see you soon.